Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to compare Audacity versus Cakewalk and find out which free DAW is better in 2025. If you're making music or editing audio without spending a dime, this guide will help you choose. Audacity is simple, open source, and works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. It's great for recording, basic editing, and applying effects. Beginners love it for its accessibility, but it lacks multi-track depth, MIDI support, and advanced music production tools. Cakewalk, on the other hand, is a full-featured DAW that's completely free for Windows users. It includes multi-track recording, MIDI sequencing, built-in instruments, and a professional mixer. It's ideal for serious music production without the cost, though it's Windows only. The key difference: Audacity is perfect for simple recording and editing across platforms. Cakewalk offers professional production tools for free but is limited to Windows users. So that's Audacity versus Cakewalk in 2025. If you want cross-platform simplicity, go with Audacity. But if you're on Windows and want a full-featured free DAW, Cakewalk is the better choice. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.